Hello, parents, and welcome to our Literacy Night. We just wanted to give you a few ideas of what you can do to help your students at home. What you see on the screen are daily learning targets. So as I stated, our current class read aloud is Divided Loyalties. This story is all about the American Revolution. So we're taking a step back in history and spending time learning about this powerful moment in our country. Students are expected to read deeply and think. So here are some resources that you can use at home. We use lots of strategies for close reading. Close reading means that students are going to read the text more than one time to think deeply about it instead of just reading a variety of text. One way that you can help or support close reading at home is through research reading and choice reading. One thing that we do here at school is annotating text. When students are reading text at home, they should be reading the text and making notes in the margin about what that text is about. You also should have your child underline words they don't know in text. Use context clues and use the words around the word that they don't know to find out what that word means, or use a dictionary or thesaurus to help them better understand. It is very crucial that they go back into the text when answering questions to support that with evidence. They will need to understand how to do this not only on their in-class testing, but in general as they go through school. They're always going to be asked to go back and provide proof or evidence from the text that is going to support any answer that they are given. One final thing that would help with success at home is to have your child reading text in small chunks and determine the gist. The gist is kind of like, what is that section about? We here at school have the students write in the margin what that text is or what the gist of a particular section that they're reading is about. You can have them do that at home when they're doing research reading or even their choice reading. These are just some strategies that you could use at home to help your child have a better understanding of how to be a close reader. During our second hour of our literacy block, we do something called the all block. This is where students are in small groups working on a task. You will see that it says day 2 on the screen. This is just one activity that students are expected to do. They'll have a timekeeper and facilitator, and as they have read an independent book of their choice, these are some of the steps that they will have to do to show understanding of the text. So we're asking them to do a lot in our literacy block. Please encourage your child to make sure that they are staying focused each day so that they can have a strong understanding of what it means to be an active reader. Have a great evening.